G.
Uh, uh, why is it saying Ziggy the Dino is now following you on Twitch? Did he like unfollow me or some shit? Oh my god. God damn it. Puterka Ashton sent me. What's up? What's up? 24 hours? I don't think so. Everybody trying to go Apex Pro. It's really fun though. I've been playing, I've been wanting to play it lately. I just haven't the past few days. I know, I have the hiccups, it sucks. I get the hiccups like all the time. I don't know why. You guys, y'all are crazy. If I play with you, will you give me some dubs? Oh man. Moving and packing? Yeah, I need to, I'm moving soon. I need to start packing shit, but it's so annoying. I don't feel like doing it. It's stressful, so I feel you. Nothing much though, just playing some ski. Alright, you know what? You don't even have to tell me what song it is.
Oh no.
Alright, we're gonna throw it back, you guys. This one goes out to G Unit Records. I love you, baby. I'm not like moving. I'm moving like in the same area that I'm in. I don't even know what that was, but.
Gotta spend our time being mad about the same things over and over again. About the same thing over and over again. Oh, but I think she's leaving. Oh man, she's leaving. I don't know what else to do. Can't go on not loving you. 'Cause it's all in my head. I think about it over and over again. I can't keep picturing you with him, and it hurts so bad. 'Cause it's all in
get it. Like, if you don't give that son of a bitch attention for 2 fucking minutes, it dies. Like, god damn it. Like, I'm never gonna have a fucking... The only thing I want in RuneScape, the one thing I want in RuneScape is a black kitten. And that's like my 3rd time trying to have a kitten in this game. And it's just retarded. It's stupid.